Let's learn how to use laundry and cleaning vocabulary. Hi everyone! Today we are going to learn how to use laundry and cleaning words in short sentences. A vacuum cleaner uses suction to remove dirt and crumbs from carpets and floors. A duster with soft feathers gently removes dust from furniture and shelves. A mop and bucket are used to clean floors and pick up spills. A broom sweeps away dust, keeping your floors clean. A sponge and dishwashing liquid are ideal for cleaning dirty plates and cutlery. A laundry basket is a place to collect dirty clothes until laundry day. An ironing board and iron are used to smooth out wrinkles, giving clothes a crisp look. A washing machine uses washing detergent to clean clothes quickly and easily. In the next video, you will learn how to use these words in a story. If you like this video, please click like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Thank you!